I'm Jared from Northern Trucks. We've been here 27 years, reconditioning gearboxes and differentials for HGVs mainly, and vans, buses, trucks, all sorts of things. We've recently acquired this machine from Rotajet, which is to replace the old machine, which has been here for 24 years, which we bought second hand from Rotajet. Very well for all those years, but now we've had to have the new one. It saves so much time, it saves loads of manpower. Strip the gearboxes down, inspect them, put them through the box washer, they're ready within half an hour for us to take out and start assembling.